merongevere umutinyu gatano gatatu mwaka w'ekirubere ne merongevere na inyumwanju mwerelia Undizi TV andonzi aso totengerete indi no kwigenda nigo ndate kutwara umugaso umyenyoranga itikolia lero nali omugabana we county area ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza birawekibwa bosyo we bunge area ya Senate asiri tukolia kabere asekina kyagenda takumulekirwa boyiko nige kina kimubwatera neti omunjurya Jimmy Wanjigi kendrete asikigambiro keria kya milimani aseboyiko libirera ne musanano egendrete ime ya county area ya Nyamira igoro ya university yabetekuraliwa nomura ibwense Dr. William Ruto tinga kyabeta okora etaria ya ime county area ya Nyamira nigaragire chinsa isano nebere cyabono mugaso ikaranza oikembe ukumanya amange ayuaberera kweneke korwa asema biarenge entambekera umugaso obono literani korwa job maangi yako bakweneke ngatibiche chiboyiko na mariogi yabera wekera asentira yobo ikerano nabigal nyanchama yakweneke yanko yanyorore wetera asentira yumunwa wimanyeryo Lydia Mose kuranande asekretari ege tambe Senchirum Chandaito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News na watera somtandaito www.ndizitv.net karansoike mihukumania ayabere gakwene kigwa kurwa asemambi wika omugaso obono amanyenigo tokwa chakurwa se county ya Nyamira chingaki emusanano enenegenrete andemono kubwatikananga nokoralia kumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto una university ebege kwagachwa asense meria ya Kyabonyoru nigo abaraina babwatani abaendate gwesokya okwanera enganeyo abakansora abakoro bakoragwa nere Patrick Bogonko nigo babaire bakoa okoboko egetambukiro kyumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto kuralinga university ya Nyamira ebege kwagachwa asense meria ya Kyabonyoru engana batebanga chingaki cyubura ibwabo nigo babete bakumulekera enganeye asobwagale na kulikanse ase amaliko asobeto kumulekera chinsemo unense meria ya Sironga ya Kimai asekolende asobwamo bakaba bakuitabera nanga university ebege kwagachwa asense meria ya Kyabonyoru asebonu babere bakuruko bolia gotia ase abaraye gocha amo na kubwatesia na bosena kwa okoboko egetambukero kyomura ibwense Dr. William Ruto kuralia university ebege kwagachwa asensemo elia ya Kyabonyoru
Naiga goto nomo goto mina na bakansora abagambi baito be county abakansora go Ward Jones to koligereria amangana anyamira county na ekeroto ya ligererio to wakera His Excellency President William Ruto Samuel ingambi yamano eso goto bekera ligana lyo boroso ali Kyabonyoru ya university university ye ntwa yetetie 1998 karonde deputy mayor Nyamira town council ntwa yetetie university ye wetera chi minute cha sanetwe wetera CDTC go identify chi semo mara gatatu to identify Sironga Liakimai na Kyabonyoru and to ikaranse committee to gaiti chi restoration inga tiga university eru Kyabonyoru ase bona iga igoto wakera His Excellency President Ruto ngambi yamono asenge joko bwatya chi previous minutes wetera leaders barororo igogo tobekera ligana lyo boroso igonto ye begetenga ntwaye pressings
igo asayo iyo tebanga oya ba minto ntole tutora mane abarai ba minto abachumbe mora mana ekina kiegente kenene sikana nekero mokwenda kuliye ntogenda sobwamo akero kwenda mako mogwetana ejinigo mo ekorgenga nintwe mwasumbwa abantu aba tolenkae
university rero yoka tware gusaba se county yetu ebintu ne binge tosari kuligereria ebintu tutaranyora ne binge sana igo president yetu na twamwa kretembu yamona to etegento kedi na hende to gusaba obocies buna bwachete semeri ya busongo ekero GPS chiko jakobekwa twasaba tonyore na mbe
nigo omusemia omunene bwa serikali Dorcas Oduor n'omuwaziri orachikwetenera ense ya Kenya ase ebunge eliya yechinse cha Afrika ya Mucha Beatrice Asikor babagotianibwa ase enyomba y'oburayi ya Kenya omuyiga oboikiranwa n'omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto n'abarayi akurwa ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto abagakurwa esegeto ase bale kwenekinga nkobwati bale lichiko nabwigo kubakolera aba Kenya ase obwekirano elinde kwesukia ense ya Kenya kurwa sekerengo ere wekira ase ekerengo kya igoro.
That I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Attorney General. That I will undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity.
I promise to support you, to assist you, because your success is going to be the success of the government of Kenya and our nation as well. To Dorcas, you come into office as a very critical moment in our nation. I will advise you to carefully read the manifesto upon which this government was elected. We have 3 fundamental issues that we consider important. To my sister Beatrice, congratulations. I know you very well. I think I've known you for 20 years. And a lot will be expected of you and your colleagues from the other partner states as you shepherd and steer this community to harness the collective potential of the 300 million people in the East African community for the progress and the expansion of business, enterprise, investment, and the unlocking of the tremendous potential that exists in this region as the world moves towards regional blocks.
Togoskabosioni go ebunge ya seneti babiri bagotwara egikaro anemono kumulekera oroboti igoro yogochorwa gwa Douglas Kanja buna uyurachi gotenenera ekerengo usegetengo keria kyabanyanyimbo buna omu inspector general omujia ababunge balia abebunge ya seneti nigo baba korokia obuisanika nogochorwa kwa ase baba kumugania gokora amaunchirio au ase secretariat y'abanyanyimbo omuseneta we county ya Kisii nigo abagago ichanira enchira abanyanyimbo amenyate ase chinsemo au ase bakorera obokoreri bwabo ase boigo aba gakumugoria Douglas Kanja gutukwene kinga abanyanyimbo ngwikirani bale obokoreri bwabo kugwatekananga nelichiko.
Many of my friends here may not know that or remember that Kenya is actually the country that provided security teams from the Kenyan Police Service to go to Namibia to set up their police system after their independence. Kenya did the same in Zimbabwe. Kenya did the same in Rwanda. And right now, Kenya is in Haiti. Him and his colleagues even sharing rooms with their wives. We can't have a police service, Mr. Speaker, where a police officer sometimes is transferred unilaterally because he has annoyed some big person somewhere where their rights are violated. To say that I hope as Mr. Kanja will do an excellent job, make sure that this house interfaces with him because we are the ones who will be oversighting him. I believe that he is a man who's capable of understanding that he must be seen to offer justice, he must be seen to be fair, and he must be seen to be a person who's willing to make Kenya a better place than he found it. Other than that, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to say that I honestly do feel that Mr. Kanja will be able to manage this office, and I hope that my colleagues in this house will be open enough for us to make sure that we begin to change.
Tokuskabosio maenga yokobe kwa egesubo ose egesibo obutukogo kalero nigo munchuriano mwana siasa Jimmy Wanjigi abagawe kibwa osio bwekegambero kya milimani asigati amomocho akobunibwa nelinga nigabere gago twara ebirwaniriro mamincha yerichigo nigo arabe gako egererwa n'abawakili ba egati yabo Bol Muiche Omorai Womobulia wa Azimio Kiama Kiawa Ipakalonzo Msioka na Wigo Omorai Wikiama Kiria Kianak Kenya Martha Karua Nigo Egati Yaba wakili baye Babere Vakomochia Serikali Asuku Mutanga Maminja Yerichiko Asibabero Tebanga Bachikogenda Kumwegera Wikiranga Obeire Gakonyora Owene Waye
Senior Kanzo Kalonzo Musyoka, whose brief I own. The honor will recollect, he was here. The Honorable Martha Karua, Senior Counsel. Owiso Doctor. Is that we apply for the taking of the plea to be postponed to give us an opportunity to challenge in the High the bringing of these charges for the reason that even as the accused or the suspect was being arrested, there were valid
Tokoskabosio ekera matukumake atigarete ase aborokia usaborokio bechi skuru au weturachi kuigora ase tamu ya gatatu niga borokia kurwa ase chinsemo au anemono bakora unekiomekeri yage kuigerera aborokia kia kupe tibabere bakora linga nigo barachi gutwara omugiro gochakira wiki egocha una enchira moyo kurwanirira obwene bwabo ase bakomochia serikali nekiomekeri yage kolikia aborokia ya TSE ase ogotsaikirania amaganio abo kubatikananga nukuiwana na kwabo ku mwaka w'ekirubere n'emirongo ebere na isato ase boigo bakomochia serikali anemono ekyoge koliki aboroke ya TSE ase okoba nukuba natanga kibeza ekinde batamaiti ngai chigochia.
They will have to make contingent arrangements to have their children at home or bring them to school to take care of themselves. So there will be a strike as from 26th. Teachers will travel to go and look for their money, which means we shall not be in school. We shall be asking the government to honor the deal that we signed in 2023. The collective bargaining agreement that we signed in 2023 is already deposited in court, and for that reason we are not willing to negotiate.
That are deducted from the teachers. Yes. Where does this money go to? It is deducted. We don't know where it goes to. The teachers continue suffering CRB charges and they get embarrassed. We want the TSC to tell us where it takes the monies that it deducts from the teachers. Yes. And this is going to be told to us. We will march to
every corner.
TSC and every corner to be told where the teachers' money goes to.
Vyama vyao vya walimu NAT na KUPPET wamesema kwamba tarehe 26 hawatakuwa kazini na watakuwa strike. Ningependa kuwaomba kwamba hii strike yao wasiweke hata hii third.
Manchumuriria Ondizi TV oroboti urukurwa saboro kiano turachwikira omwabi wamangana maya chinsa isano nebere chabono mugaso itane nkoro kwa Job Maangi nokwana kyanko ya nyorole wetera asenjira yomunwa oli abosoyo kwa kyanko ya nyorole wetera asenjira yobo ikirano yane kinga tibicha na mali ya wekerere nere abigala nyanja mabikara chinga kichinde nabaga neirie abo umugaso umiya nogolele obuya imyandize TV na bubwansu bumusi.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusi.